All right, Usman, how do you keep your team motivated and aligned with your mission? First, tell me your mission, and then how do you make sure that they stay aligned with that?
Mhm. Yeah, so overall, I think mission includes multiple things. Obviously, we wanted to be a leader in this domain,
Hmm?
to become a well-known company where people know us by our quality work,
Hmm?
and that is something that kept us motivated always. And to keep our team motivated along with us, it's very important to convey them and tell them, communicate with them to see and tell them that what exactly our mission is and how we are targeting it, what is the path that we are taking to achieve our mission. And that should be very clearly mentioned to your team members as well, because for the team members it's always very important that what they can foresee in the future. For the company, for the founders, it's very important that it is very clearly visible to the team members. So what do you think? What was how do you keep team members motivated?
Well, first is their learning. If
Mhm.
they feel like they are learning something new every other
Mhm.
day, then they stay motivated that
Yeah.
that Devomech is adding some value in their
Mhm.
skill set. One motivation is that. And as we upgrade our labs, new machines come in on the mechanical side and they work with that, so they're excited about it.
Mhm.
One part of motivation is to. Second part of motivation is to make sure that they get good increments.
Mhm.
They all their basic needs are fulfilled by the company,
Mhm.
because uh, they shouldn't be worrying about how to make both ends meet when they're working with
Yeah.
our Mech solution. For example, the health insurance is covered. If the employee doesn't live in the same city, his accommodation is covered.
Mhm.
So all basic needs are covered.
Yeah.
And apart from that, uh, I think that working with a team that is so friendly, so motivated, and I also experienced that for our mechanical engineers, especially working with electronics team, in coordination with electronics team and learning about PCBs and everything,
Mhm.
it was really interesting and motivating for them, because now they understand the other part of the story as well, and next when they will work on a project, they'll already know the limitations
Mhm.
that they need to keep in mind while designing a product that include electronics.
Yeah, I've also noticed that our team members are dealing with each other and also understanding the other side of the things. Our PCB designers want to learn about the firmware as well, that how does that work. Our firmware developers are also trying to understand the LTM designer that we are using for our PCB designs. So they want to understand the other side of the picture as well, and that is very important for an engineer overall, for their own understanding that will make their work very efficient. So I think yes, that is very important.